Hey, what's up guys? Ross Macfarlane here again. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the most epic products that you can promote, and you can discover these on affiliate networks that you know that convert, so you can explode your sales with affiliate marketing. So if this is your first time on the channel, make sure to hit the little subscribe button below and hit the little bell icon so you get notified each and every single time when I post a video. Now, I've been in the online space since 2018 and I found it really tough to get started, and if you've been following my journey on my channel, you'll know that I have been finding different ways and different traffic sources and different products, different offers, how to promote, because I was basically using just one offer that was a high ticket offer and promoting that for a while, and now I'm starting to make the transition into branching out into doing other things. And this is a way that I found how to discover products that actually convert, so you're getting that edge over all the other affiliates that are out there just promoting anything basically. So what we're going to do is we're going to dive into the computer and I'm going to show you exactly how to find these products and how to utilize some of the resources that some of these products offer as well. So let's just dive straight in. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to head over to ClickBank. If you don't have a ClickBank account, it's easy enough. You just simply go ahead, sign up. They more or less accept anyone. I can't even remember if they ask you if you have a website or not, but if they do, just basically put in your Facebook profile, that'll be acceptable. It's totally cool. There is no barrier to entry with ClickBank, but even though there is a lot of shit on ClickBank, there are some really great offers, and I'm going to show you how to go ahead and find some of these great offers. So as soon as you get logged into your ClickBank dashboard here, if you head over to Affiliate Marketplace, now if you've got all your different niches or niches, if you're in the US, you can go between your niche that I've done on a previous video as well that you can watch, and you can change up the filters on the left hand side and change the gravity, which means it's been converting better. I don't actually know what the gravity numbers mean yet, but I know that the gravity numbers mean that it's converting better. So I think the higher the number, the better it's converting. But a little hack that you can do is, if you are picking your niche and you're not doing it the way that I'm about to show you, is you can actually pick your niche, change up the gravity filter, and then change the date, so then it's only been running for a little while. So like, say for example, instead of it having the date range over a 6-month period, you could have it over a 6-week period, so you know that that offer's only been running for a little while and it may not have as much competition as all the other offers that have been running for a while. But a way that I found how to find great products now is, what I do is I would just want to find the top offers that are converting. So how you would do that is you would just click on this little search icon here, and it's going to show you all the top offers that are converting. Now, ideally you want one that's got an affiliate page, because if it's got an affiliate page, it's going to give you all the resources, because if this offer has been converting, right, then that means that this business has built this business up. They've done all the groundwork, built this business. So it's just our job as the affiliate just to get people, ideally potential clients, people who are interested in that product, over to this website, so then they are going to buy, and then us as the affiliate take a commission for that. So ideally, if we want to find a converting offer, we want a resources page so we can find all the different resources and the best demographics and the best geos, which is like countries and stuff, where this offer converts, so that we can use that to our advantage when it comes to our targeting for whichever traffic source that we're using. So I'll head over here, and this one here I found earlier, which is a belly fat tonic. I just found this one earlier. I think I actually might promote this one actually. It looks like a good product. So this is what's known as heading through straight to a VSL, so a video sales letter, and this is great for affiliates like us. So then that means all we have to do is just get people to this video, sales letter, so then they can watch this video, and then if they are interested in this product, they can buy it. So this would be known as the landing page that we're sending people to. So that would be what that is. But a good thing about this product is that it has a resources page. So what you would do is you would head over to the resources page and you would check out, look, it's giving you top converting email swipes. So if you have an email list, you can use these email swipes and send it out to your email list. Landing page options, Facebook ad resources. So what it'll do is it'll give you Facebook ad resources that you can actually use, and you can start promoting on Facebook with this product. So that's so great as us as the affiliate. It's basically doing all the groundwork for us. Because it knows it converts. And I'm assuming here if I scroll down, it's going to tell me about the geos and stuff. It's probably going to tell me which converts best. Facebook ad resources. It's telling me everything that I have to know for Facebook. Commission structure. It's telling me about the commission structure. So this one isn't actually telling me about the geos and stuff, unless I'm just not picking it up. But just based off of this here, this video is a awesome new supplement for weight loss, storming conversion rates, any kind of weight loss or other health demos. So just reading that off there, off of that product, I know that that falls under the 3 main categories within the online space that have a high demand, which is health, wealth, and relationships. This obviously falls under health and the subcategory of weight loss. So personally, just looking at this, I would say this is probably more geared towards women, probably over 40. That's what I would probably take from that, because that would be where I would think that would convert most for that type of product. But again, if they have an affiliate resources page, they will have an email, a contact where you can just get in touch with them and you can just ask. You can literally just reach out to their affiliate team and you can just say to them, hey guys, just about to start promoting your product. Could you please tell me where your top affiliates have been promoting this product, where they've been generating the most traffic, which age demographics and genders have been converting the best for you, and 9 times out of 10 they might get back to you. They might even ask to do a Skype chat. I've had that lately when I've been signing up to new programs and new offers. They're doing Skype chats and they're just basically saying, yeah, people are using it on Facebook, or they're using it on email stuff, or they're sending out on blah blah blah, whichever type of traffic source it may be. This is the age, gender, this is the conversion rate, this is the commission rate. So yeah, that's a great way to find the absolute best products and the most highest converting products that you know are going to convert. So if you found any value from this video whatsoever and you want to start taking it into action, and you do start taking it into action, make sure to leave me with a little comment below. Let me know how you got on. That product did seem like a really good product there, so I think I might start promoting that product myself. So if you are promoting that product or have promoted that product, hit me with a little comment. I'd love to know how you got on with it. And again, if you did like this video, make sure to smash that like button. It really, really helps the channel. And if you want to sign up to my email newsletter, you can. I'll leave the little description below. I'm always sharing new tips and tricks and little hacks on affiliate marketing, online business, and anything to do with making money online. But other than that, thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.